Everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Google Drive stuck on waiting to upload or processing. First of all, check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works. Then check if you have a stable internet connection to rule out network issues. After that, pause and resume the upload, or cancel and retry the upload. Then you are going to reboot your iPhone and retry the upload. Hold the power plus volume button and slide to power off, then restart the phone and sign in again to Google Drive. Safety tip: ensure battery saving mode aren't battery setting mode ensure battery saving modes aren't restricting background uploads. Quick fix: compress the file or split it into smaller parts and upload in smaller batches. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.